Good evening, everyone. So yes, this particular case is interesting for a couple of reasons. The first one at the time was that this BMW in lane one, you'll see the guys recognize me and watch me catch this lady on her phone. And then the other reason it's interesting is because a couple of months ago, somebody emailed me about this vehicle and that I was named as the witness, and they wanted to work out who the driver was. I just asked why they wanted to know that information, and they responded with that. And immediately I just forwarded the details to the Met Police, because I'm not sure that I should be talking to the defendants or whoever they may be. And anyway, after a little bit of toing and froing, the Met Police said, yeah, just don't contact the person. The registered keeper has been taken to court and the case is now closed. So I don't know for a fact, but I suspect that the registered keeper or somebody in the chain of registered keepers did not nominate the driver and therefore got 6 points and a fine. So yeah, it looks like the driver is not that person, but I don't know for a fact. So who knows what the real answer was and what actually happened. But yes, if you don't nominate the driver when you receive a notice of intended prosecution, that's an offence in itself, and it carries 6 points and a very large fine if you're an individual, far more so than just the mobile phone offence. Anyway, away and have a look at it. I think it's reasonably sure that somebody got 6 points and a big fine. Oh, and when I say chain of registered keepers, I mean that I don't know this vehicle particularly, but some vehicles are leased, and there may be several companies using or keeping the car. So it starts off with the officially registered keeper. They then nominate the next person in the chain, so that could be a leasing company, then nominates an actual company, who would then go on to nominate the driver. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about when I talk about a chain of registered keepers. Okay, have a good evening. Bye. Oh yeah, there was one other thing I wanted to mention, and that I just suddenly had a feeling that maybe the registered keeper and or the driver were trying to say that they didn't know who would be driving, because apparently it was a shared car, and so couldn't nominate a driver, and were hoping to get off the offence in that way. I don't know. I mean, that's just a guess on my part. I've heard of, I follow one of these Facebook groups involving tickets and fines and stuff. And you do sometimes see that kind of thing being suggested as a potential way of maybe getting out of points. So who knows? Who knows what really the case was? Cheers. On her phone, God damn it. That's why she left the gap. There we are, typing away.
It's not my day today then.
That's why she left the gap, I saw it straight away. Not paying attention. Nice car, man. Salam alaikum. I'm a bit slow today, I'm sorry. I'm a bit slow, I was up at 5:20.
That's right, that's good, man. You've got an electric one now, yeah?
Well, I've done 30 miles today with all this weight on the back. I think I'm going to try and filter. I can't be waiting in this. You alright, mate? Have a good day. I hope you don't get stuck in it too long. Has he stopped? Has he completely stopped? Can we go? Yes.